Engena 0, Kasacha 0, Engena 0, Kasacha 0, Luyimba 0, Luyimbazi 29, Muchivi 0, Murerwa 0, Musitwa 0, Tazindwa 0, Nambi 111, Sereko 0. Kazoangola Mateo T to Z. Then we have Kazoangola Mateo O to S. Engena 0, Kasacha 0, Luyimba 1, Luyimbazi 93, Muchivi 2, Murerwa 1, Musitwa 1, Mtazindwa 0, Nambi 19, Sereko 0. Matthew NAN to NZ. Engena 0, Kasacha 1, Luyimba 0, Luyimbazi 69, Muchivi 3, Murerwa 0, Musitwa 0, Mtazindwa 0, Nambi 400, Sereko 1, Mateo NAN to NZ.
No, those are no results. Who gives you the right one? Oh, they're wrong. So I can put it on the side as well. Oh, they're wrong with that. Just in case. Oh, they're wrong with that. Mattel, NN to NZ. Where are you arranged? What 400? You go for 400. You don't have it. We have a deal of 400.
Ours is 400.
This is the form. Right.
Ours is 400. Go back to Butambala. You are not going to be here the entire night because each DR they pronounce that is not in your favor, you make noise. No. Nothing. How? No.
Engena 0, Kasacha 2,
no intimidation.
Luyimba 0. You are hearing.
Yes.
Aren't you hearing what I'm saying? And you are saying we have not heard.
Please, we are stakeholders in this, and you can see the train.
Who doubts you are being a stakeholder? Who doubts you are being a stakeholder? Who doubts you are being a stakeholder?
I was in Kayunga, what happened?
I wasn't in Kayunga.
Go back to Kayunga then. Why are you here?
You are asking me to read properly. There is a form I read.
Yes.
I called you to come and read it. You read the same thing.
Yes.
Who read properly and who didn't read properly?
To proceed.
I'm just using your words to answer what you're asking me. You said I'm not reading properly. I called you to come and read what I had read, and you read the same thing. Who of us did not read properly?
You want to take over the road.